BrandTalk, your front row seat to how brands think, move, and win. Today, we're joined by Mr. Sai Ponugoti, who is the CEO of Piramal Consumer Healthcare. Welcome, Mr. Sai. Let's get started. Congratulations on Piramal Healthcare crossing the ₹1,000 crore mark in this year. What were the main factors that helped you reach this milestone?
First, thanks for having me here. It's wonderful to interact with you, Anandya. I would say this important milestone had three important ingredients. The first one is all about sharp choices, speed, and relentless execution. And these three things come out on the four growth vectors that we had. The first one is power brands. On power brands, it was about fewer brands, deeper investments, and all along staying consumer relevant. The second one is innovation with velocity. We had 50 new product launches, and this contributed to 11% in revenue. So innovation is important, but it's not a buzzword for us. It's a revenue growth engine. The third one is ensuring that we have growth precision on the channels of the future. So while we continue to expand in general trade, but we got disproportionate growth in e-commerce and modern trade, which are growing especially fast for the category. And the last one I would say is tech enablement with agility. We are just not launching products, but we are reading signals. It's all about data, analytics, AI that's helping us move with agility. And in summary, all of this is translating into strong results because we are able to operate with speed, operate in a collaborative manner, and ensure that all our plans are coming together to win in the marketplace.
Right. So with the new IPL Daily campaign, how do you plan on tackling the issues of people thinking about buying contraceptives beforehand, and with especially in the age where consumers always want to change the companies, the products that they're using?
The IPL campaign that we recently launched is a very important campaign, and it has been giving us stellar results on the business. So let me say a few things. The first is that it's very important to start with the consumer and customer insight. So the key insight we picked up was that when the consumer is going to the retail chemist store to buy the product, the retailer is substituting IPL with any other ordinary contraceptive brand. The second insight was that given the taboo in the category, the consumer is hesitant and not making a choice and not asking for IPL. So what did we do? We moved from just a product-focused approach to product to purpose. So we not only drive efficacy of the brand, but we also are working towards driving empowerment for the consumer. Second, we are speaking the language of the consumer. Like you said, the consumer is young. So we are educating the consumer. We are empowering the consumer and encouraging the consumer to make a preference for a brand which they truly believe in. And finally, we are surrounding the consumer with relevant communication across all touch points. And the IPL campaign, which we are talking about, Har Pill IPL Nahi Hoti, is something we are excited about, and we are doing very well.
Okay. So IPL has been a leading brand in the industry, but what are the new campaigns or what are the new ideas that you all are getting for the younger audience and also for the more aware customers?
We are very excited with the women's wellness space. This is an important growth driver for us. So how we are approaching women's wellness is we want to have wellness products in what we call the I range of products, which includes IPL, in giving solutions to consumers right from menarche to menopause. So we have a wide range of products where we are not just focusing on efficacy of the product, but also on purpose. We are consciously empowering the consumer and we are constantly launching adjacencies. An example is the eye active period panties. It's a product that gives 360-degree fit and protection for the consumer. It's a new form. It's a fast growing form in the market. We are doing exceedingly well, and we are now launching other products like panty liners. And so all along we are going from menarche to menopause and giving women the best products in wellness all along her.
Excluding IPL, grew by 26%. How are you positioning them and marketing them in such an overcrowded healthcare market?
It's very important for our brand building efforts to win with the new age India. And this is all about ensuring that we are one, digital first, we are community led, and finally we are culturally nuanced in everything that we are doing. So the first aspect is about ensuring that we bring in brand differentiation, and we bring this not only with the functional benefits, but we drive emotional connect. So that's the first one, and I'll take an example of eye active period panties, where we were able to not only bring out the functional benefits and educate the consumer on the form, but we were also able to connect emotionally with the consumer who is looking for protection anytime, anywhere. The second one is the integrated media choices. It's important to ensure that you have the right balance between traditional media like TV, but also have the right investments on digital, and also connect with the consumer through influencers. The third one that is important in this space is ensuring that this country is not one country. There are many Indias in India, and which means it's culturally nuanced. It's important to ensure that you have the right content that is integrated. You have the right regional communication in the regional languages that is able to connect with the many Indias in India, and you are able to constantly follow with the right formats, be it social, be it influencers, be it KOLs, and so on and so forth. So in short, we want to ensure that our brand building is focused on following the new age India, in terms of ensuring that we are culturally nuanced, we are digital first, and we are community led.
So as you said, e-commerce has built to 39% right now. So how do you approach and building an online platform for healthcare, and how is it different from selling in traditional stores?
I like to talk about the 3 moments of truth. Because you asked the question on how digital or online or e-commerce is different from the traditional channels. So one, there is a second moment of truth when the consumer experiences the product, and that's the same whether it's online or offline. Then there is a first moment of truth when the consumer is making a preference for a brand, one brand versus other, and again, be it online or offline, with visibility, different forms of visibility, the consumer makes a choice, and this is another thing that is similar. But the one big difference is the 0th moment of truth, which is search. So what we need to do first in winning with this consumer that is digital first is ensuring that we are able to ensure that we bring in customer love from search to the doorstep. Right? So that's the first aspect on how we do it. The second aspect, and where it is different, is that while traditional channels, you are broad-based, the approach in online is you are personalizing everything that you do. You're able to target much better, right? And the third one is your investments need to pay out. And here what is important is that you need to ensure you get the bang for every click that you are paying for, so that you are able to have both effectiveness of your digital investments, but also efficiency. So I would say these are the 3 things that are important, which is winning with search and demonstrating customer love, The second one is winning in a personalized and targeted manner. And the third one that is also important is ensuring that you're able to get a bang for all the investments that you make on every click.
Yeah. So this year you've launched over 50 products and SKUs. So how do you manage to stay relevant and have high quality and also fast launches?
Yeah. So I would say there are three things that we're trying to ensure in our new product launches. Like I mentioned, innovation is not just a buzzword for us, it's a big revenue growth engine. I constantly challenge my teams to get double the sales versus what we are doing today with every new product launch. So the first one is all about speed. We are able to get speed when we have cross-functional teams that are operating as innovation squads.
Yeah.
This goes all the way from technical teams to commercial teams. When they are working together and they are able to do all aspects of a new product launch in the best possible manner by coming together. The second one is ensuring relevance. Here we are able to come up with testing the products in an agile and fast manner and ensuring that we stay relevant with the consumer. And the third important thing in new products is that you are ensuring sufficient investment in order to be able to get sufficient number of trials in order to give the new product the best chance to succeed. So in summary, we are able to bring in speed with agility, we are able to bring in relevance, and we are bringing the right investments to ensure that we succeed with the new product launches. And like I said, innovation is not just a buzzword for us, but it's a revenue growth engine, and it has contributed to 11% of our revenue in the last 1 year.
So you spend around 125 crore on media and trade promotions. What do you think about retail marketing, and how do you balance it with in-store activities with traditional and digital marketing?
Yeah. Let me just share with you an experience that I had with a quick commerce retailer just last month. So when we met the retailer was talking about their target consumer, and we were connecting that with our brand positioning. So the target consumer is a woman with a child anywhere between 8 months to 8 years old. And if we look at Littles as a brand, we have diapers, we have wipes, we have toys, and so on and so forth. So it's a perfect fit between the customer strategy of quick commerce and our brand positioning of Littles. Now, it's important to you look at the use case. So in a Delhi NCR, for a quick commerce consumer, the use case is, say, convenience. Whereas for a consumer in Behrampur, it is about access to products, high quality products like wipes, like toys. And when you look at the ratio of diapers to the toys or wipes, there is a significant delta. It's almost 1:4, 1:6. And if we can have the right strategies in order to win with this consumer wherever they are, whether they are in Delhi NCR or in Behrampur, then we are able to not only enable the consumers to experience our products, but also work with our customers to grow the categories. And what do we need to do? We need to ensure that we have the right plans across content, across assortment, the right search investments. We need to ensure that our product is available, be it to a consumer in Delhi NCR or to that consumer in Behrampur who is discovering our brands online. And if we are able to do this, we will be able to very successfully grow our online business. Our online business is demonstrating a few years back around 20% growth, and now we are able to grow upwards of 40%.
So you have a big target of $200 million by the financial year 13. So what are the key factors you're looking at to reach there? Is it like expanding categories, D2C, or partnerships?
Yeah. We are very excited about our road to fiscal year 30 vision. I would say it's all about margin, reach, and impact. And let me touch upon them a little bit as I talk about the 6 transformations that we would like to bring to our business in order to deliver our fiscal year 30 goals. The first one is ensuring that we transform the way we manage and spend our media investments, moving from a more traditional approach to a significantly more integrated media approach, so that we are able to drive both effectiveness and efficiency of our investments. The second one is to truly win with our new product launches. Here, the focus is on fewer innovations, bigger innovations, and better innovations, so that we are able to expand our margins and reach consumers with a big impact. The third transformation is focused on profitable e-commerce growth, and we have a few strategies here to ensure that the disproportionate growth that we are getting is profitable in nature, be it portal mix, be it product mix, be it the right efficiencies in our spends. The fourth is focused on driving sales excellence in our offline channels across general trade, across chemists, and also in our expansion efforts as we move into tier 2, tier 3 towns. The fifth is focused on ensuring that every rupee we spend it smartly, which is all about operational excellence. We will need to maximize all our cost saving efforts so that we are able to invest that back into different investments that can grow our business, or use this money to then expand our margin. The last transformation is focused on organization. We've identified a few important capability and cultural elements that we want to build in the company. Example, a digital culture. Example, a beauty culture. Example, a strong focus on data analytics and AI. So we are transforming our organization by bringing some of these cultural and capability elements, and we believe that if we are able to get these transformations right, execute them with excellence, then we will very much be on track to deliver our fiscal year 30 goals. So it's all about margin, reach, and impact.
So, as a CEO, what excites you most about the future of healthcare and wellness in India, and where do you see Piramal leading the industry there?
It's very exciting times. I would like to. I'm reminded of a quote which says that the future is here, but it's just unevenly distributed. So, as we see it in the industry, we can see 4 trends. The first trend is the consumer is becoming significantly more aware, and both wellness and self-care is becoming more important for the consumer. And as Piramal, we are best placed through our power brands to be able to ensure that we are able to cater to kids' wellness with all our Little's range of products. With women's wellness, I touched upon the whole eye range of products. We also have strong brand in the geriatric space in order to ensure wellness for adults, and the story goes on with our power brand. So on this particular trend, we are extremely well positioned to be able to tap into the opportunity. The second trend that we see is in the way the media consumption habits in India are changing at a very fast pace. And here again, I was talking about the integrated media approach that we are taking, be it TV, be it digital, be it influencer. We are able to tap into these trends, ensure we build the right capabilities, and we are able to have the right effectiveness and efficiency of our media investments. The third trend is clearly quick commerce, where the consumer is voting for convenience. And once the consumer experiences the convenience, it is an irreversible trend, and the consumer is even willing to pay a little bit more for that convenience, right? So how do you win with quick commerce is something that we are able to demonstrate well, and we are confident we will continue the journey in a dispassionate manner to tap the opportunity over there. The last one I would say is on super premium, and super premium is defined as any product in the category that is higher by 50% compared to the category average. And we can tap this by the right premiumization strategies. So this is something that is a focus for us to ensure we are able to premiumize, give better experiences for our consumers, and deliver customer wow. And so if we are able to tap into these trends, we will be extremely successful. I am extremely confident with both our business results so far, but importantly, the organization capabilities we are building in order to tap into these 4 trends. So yes, the future is here. It's just unevenly distributed, and I'm confident as Piramal we'll be able to have a bright future ahead.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sai. It's so inspiring to see how Piramal is shaping the future of health and wellness in India.
Thank you, Ananya. It was wonderful interacting with you.